everyone, let's multiply all the multipliers by 15. That's right, you had me right for 1-5.
50x number 5.
This game uses money, and this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely, and remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
Hey, Andrew, Marcus, top 3 winners. Enjoy betting time is yours. Oh, no. Tila, good morning to you. How are you doing? All right, good luck to you guys. Forex crazy time from TOPSLOT. Come on, ladies and gentlemen, let's go the crazy time with a Forex from TOPSLOT. The power. Me ladies. Right before I'm gonna give you, we hit.
This is the amount of money issued 521,414 euros.
The green flopper is 80x, blue and the yellow 200x. All right, thank you much, guys. Ciao. How we going?
Good morning. Well, that was a nice ending, huh? Hello there, guys. My name's Anna. I'll be the host of the session. Enjoy your crazy time wins, guys. That was awesome. That was a good way to go. Right, let's go. Oppa! 5x and pachinko. Yeah, it was PTH, TOPSLOT. Please slow down, and go slow down. Please let us have pachinko. You guys, pachinko, 5x from the TOPSLOT. Come on, baby. We got it. All right, well, hello. Let's see what we're going to get. All right, this time what we're fighting for, well, the baseball teams, I mean. Come on, 5x. Just be good board. 7, 10, 15, that's a lot of those. 40 and 50 and 100. So we have potential of getting 500x or 200x or 250x. One of those, please. One of those. Come on. 250 or 500. Please. Well, come on. 250x then. Good luck. Right. 200.
This is the amount of money issued 846,116 euros.
But that's easy. 6,127 winners here. Marcos, over 20,000 euro win for you.
Oh, off we go. Good luck. 50x number 5. Number 5, where you at? Where you at, number 5?
This is the amount of money issued 769,099 euros.
Power! The Baba power! Let's go! Whoa! Get in, guys! Get in!
enjoy the money. Betting time's open, and once again, feel free to join us if you haven't already done so. Place your bets on one, multiple, or on all the segments. Don't forget about autoplay. Let's go. So we have 4 confident Super Chinkos, 2 cashes, and 1 crazy time on the wheel that I'd love to get sometime soon. That's a little turbo spin for you. Let's go. We have a 3X for crazy time now. Crazy time is coming up. Come on. Slow. Crazy time with the 3X multiplier, baby. Woo! All right, guys, we got a 3X top slot. Let's go get it. Guys, welcome back. We got a 3X multiplier and crazy time out of woo. Oh, hi guys, we got a 3X out of okay. Well, now choose a flapper. Green, blue, or yellow. All right, everybody, we are aiming for a 600X here. Let's get it. Woo! All right, we got a 75 on the blue and the yellow, but a double on the green. Oh my, guys, we got it doubled up, so that means that we're aiming for 1,200X. Woo! Let's get it, guys.
This is the amount of money issued 573,264 euros.
Green flapper! Woo!
Today's bonus, 20 great question. 5X starting out for a crazy time from the top slot bonus is on the wheel. Hope that helps. And it's time for the spin. Compliments to you. Let's go, everybody, because it is a 5X right now on a crazy time. So, come right in. So, welcome to Crazy Time, everyone. We got a 5X multiplier from the top slot. So now you have to choose from the colors green, blue, or yellow. Make your decisions, and let's see who has the best choosing skills from you all. Okay, decision time's now closed. Max multiplier to catch is a 500X. Good luck.
This is the amount of money issued 137,060 euros.
So 125X on green, 250 on yellow and blue. Okay. Welcome back from the Crazy Time Madness. Congratulations to the winners. What a nice first Crazy Time for this session. 250Xs on yellow and blue. Well done, and betting time is now closed. No need to thank me. My pleasure, everybody. My pleasure. I'm so happy that you enjoyed. We have a 3X right now for a
Okay, I'm gonna change the result. This is fake. Fake. Ah, damn it, I forgot to move the wheel. Okay, next time. Best of luck. Well, welcome. Crazy time. 5X baby. I go, it's been a while since I got a top slot crazy time.
Even 5x.
Well, let's add those numbers. Choose wisely, guys. Green, blue, or yellow. Yellow, but no bet. Well, that doesn't count. So, what do we have? I still want doubles. Is that what you want? I still want doubles. Give me those doubles. Poppy wants doubles. And as always, most of you are betting for blue. You guys really like that blue. 500x biggest multiplier. Best of luck.
This is the amount of money issued 77,100 euros.
Boom, 250, 75, 250. Congratulations. No double, but still very decent win. Poppy likey. Yeah, that was definitely very acceptable. Still wanted a double, though. Still wanted a double. Yeah, we'll see what...
So this time, crazy down with a 5x top slot. 5x top slot. Come on, Flapper. Guys, that's a top slot with crazy time. 5x 100. Wow, let's open the red door. This crazy time is so special. Let's go. I'm so happy. Wow, welcome everyone to Crazy Time with the TOPSLOT 5x. So it's time for you to choose your favorite flapper, and also we are getting 5x TOPSLOT. It's adding up onto the entire Crazy Time wheel. And now it's time for you to choose your favorite flapper. Blue, green, yellow. Which one you would pick? And the most popular color is blue for this time. And the highest on the wheel is 500x, everyone. Let's double it. Let's double it.
This is the amount of money issued 73,322 euros.
250x, the highest for the yellow flapper. 125x for blue and yellow. Congratulations, yellow flapper. Wow, yellow flapper. Yellow.
Well done. Welcome back. The bets are open. We were so close to beating the big win. I really hope that we would have been able to. But I guess we'll try again later. Cash hunts with a 7x now, everyone. I wonder how long we'll have to wait for the next crazy time to see it happen. Come on. Oh, look at that. It's cash hunts with a 7x now. Let's go. We're back. Okay, we multiply all the multipliers by 7. Look at all the 100s on here. There's going to be so many 700s. Crazy stuff, everyone. Crazy, crazy stuff. So the highest multiplier is 700. Shuffling all the multipliers now. And hopefully you'll have a chance to get the 700x. Shuffling is done. Decision time is opened. Have your bets placed? You can also use auto pick as well. This is too much pressure for you, maybe. Okay, let's reveal.
This is the amount of money issued 83,565 euros.
For this round, let's go back, everyone. Top winners are John, Nikki, and CYK. What? John got the 700, so did Nikki. Bet to open. Welcome all the new players joining Crazy Time. Good things so far, good things. It is at 15x on a coin flip. Wowza, okay. Okay, everybody, so welcome to the coin flip. We're going to be flipping a coin. No tails, no heads, only colors blue and red. Putting it on red. And now let's take our little flip through button to see what multipliers is it possible to catch. Well done. Okay, so 15x on red, 3x on blue with a 15x TOPSLOT. 225x on red, 45x on blue. Come on, Team Red, please. Let's do it. Good luck.
This is the amount of money issued 127,943 euros.
And 25x on the red one. Congratulations to the winners. Woo! And over 2,700 players. And compliments to you. Oh, bravo, bravissimo, everybody. Yes, no need to thank me. My pleasure. 225x. That was very nice. Come on. Whoa! Crazy time for the 15x, everyone. I can't believe my eyes. Can you believe this? I don't think this is real, to be honest, right now. Exactly, yes. Okay, everyone, let's multiply all the multipliers by 15. That's right, you had me right for 1-5. Awesome. Now you can place your bets on green, blue, or yellow flappers. Or you can use auto pick as well. Hopefully we'll be able to double some multipliers as well. So the highest multiplier is 1,500. Good luck. We have a double for yellow. Woo! Okay, 300 for blue, 225 for green. Double all the multipliers. Now the highest is 3,000. Good luck.
This is the amount of money issued 179,529 euros.
100 for yellow. Congratulations to the winners. Winners are KJL and LQ. Congratulations to the winners. Well done. Welcome back. The best to open.
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.